Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is basically inspired by a 1990s runway model, or just like the makeup trends that were kind of happening then, the very lined lip, which a lot of these trends are making a comeback now, which is really cool and amazing. So if you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. And I also wanted to say that I know the world is crazy right now, and I'm sure a lot of us are feeling a little bit overwhelmed and anxious. Just know that you are okay, and hopefully the right thing happens and we all can figure this out together. And I hope that you guys all have a beautiful day and that you find happiness in today and every day of your life. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you right now. Alrighty guys, so I just started out with my base already on. It's literally just foundation and powder. I have no bronzer, no highlight, no blush. So I left my mirror. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes, and then eyebrows, and then face and lips. This is actually so simple. So I have this Kylie Jenner palette. This is the burgundy palette, I believe. I think. It's this one that has like the burgundies and the browns and all of that. So I'm just gonna grab a large fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Brick, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna work that into my crease. It's up here. And I have no primer on my eyes, I have no concealer, I have no foundation. I'm just using like my natural eyes. If you have very oily eyelids or very dry eyelids and you have to put something on, then go ahead and do that. But I think for me, I'm pretty good with just this. I had to take the shade Beach, which is this shade right here, which is a little bit more of like a brown, whereas this one was kind of like has red undertones. This is more neutral, just a basic brown. I'm going to go ahead and put that on top. And I'm going to blend that up into my brow. And you don't want any on the lid right now. And any shade that you are putting on your eyes, you want it to be 100% matte. We are not working with any shimmers right now. We are using just matte. So I'm going to go in with like a fluffier brush. I'm just going to blend all of that. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bit of a more compact, brush, and I'm going to take the shade, I think I'm going to take Beach and Almond, mix together these two. This one and this one. Just a little. And I'm going to put that on my lash line. And I'm going to kind of just drag it out and knead it to the edge of where we were blending the other shade. Just like that. And I'm going to take an even thinner brush and just go in with that shade Almond only and basically create a winged eyeliner. So now that both eyes have that kind of wing look, I'm going to go ahead and grab a matte eyeshadow. A matte skin colored eyeshadow. So I'm trying to use this palette a little bit less, but it's a little hard. So I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy palette. And I'm going to take the shade Basic, which is this one right here. And I'm going to just pack that onto my lid. You see how that brings some lightness? And you just kind of want to put it in the areas that the other eyeshadow isn't. And bring it into the inner corner as well. And do it very messy, like right now it's super messy. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the shade Necessary, which is like a cool tone brown. And I'm just going to blend all of that in. just like that. And then I'm gonna take that same color and I'm just gonna pack it just on the center of my lid with my finger and then blend it out. And now I'm gonna grab that same almond color from the Kylie palette and I'm gonna create an even more intense line because I kind of blended some of it away. So I'm just gonna go back in and create that line again. And then with one of the blending brushes that we use, I'm gonna go ahead and drag that under my eye just with whatever's left over on it, which is still a lot, as you can see. And that is it for the eyes in terms of eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown eyebrow wiz, and I'm literally just going to draw little lines of extra hair. Nothing crazy. And then just kind of extend my eyebrow out. These are very light. We're not filling in our eyebrows, we're just kind of flicking little extra hairs. If you have any of those pen eyebrow things, that would probably work amazing for this. But now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Milk Cosmetics Cush Clear Brow Gel and I'm gonna brush that through my eyebrows. That's the eyebrows, all done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lashes because I didn't do them before. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. They weren't into wearing like falsies, so I'm not gonna wear any falsies for this video. It's gonna be just a very simple lash. But they did like kind of chunkier, they did. I'm talking as if it was like different people. Chunkier lashes. So we're gonna add a lot of mascara. So I'm just gonna keep curling my lashes. So now I'm gonna apply some of the Milk Cosmetics Cush Mascara. Well, I have two lip liners here. I have the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner in Sandstorm, and then I also have the MAC Cosmetic Lip Liner in Strip Down. They're pretty similar browns. You definitely want to stay on the brown side because brown lips and brown eyes and very monochromatic. Everything was very in. I'm sorry, my dog's outside there. So you are going to overline, but only overline the center of your lips. So just like that, and then just draw the rest down. And do not make your lips any more pink than they already are. You want to kind of keep almost like a dryness to your lips, if that makes sense. And now I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Strip Down one, and I'm going to go over that line. And I'm going to kind of blend it in to my lip with little strokes. Okay, and now the really, really cool part, which I think can kind of transform your lips, is by taking a little angled brush with a dark brown shade that's even darker than the lip liner. So I think I'm going to use this shade from the Desi Perkins palette. Or no, wait, I'm going to use the almond color because we've already used that and it'll be kind of monochromatic, this color right here. And I'm going to go over the outside line of my lips. Just like that. And then I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did with that second lip liner. And I'm going to just bring in the color. Alrighty, so the lips are basically done. I'm going to put some chapstick on in a second. But as for the face, I'm going to go ahead and take the NARS Laguna Bronzer because I think that that is an OG product, and it's completely matte, which is what we are looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it above. So if you see here, like my airway, my indentation, like my cheekbone indentation is here. I'm going to apply it higher. So I'm going to apply it up here. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to apply it a little higher. And then I'm going to start blending that in with another clean brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the NARS Orgasm Blush, which again is an OG product. This does have a little bit of shimmer. I know that they sell a matte one, but I have the one with a bit of shimmer. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my cheeks, but kind of in a sunburnt way. Not so much like here. I'm going to apply it a little higher. And then if you don't have these products, I would suggest just finding like the most cool tone, brown tone bronzer, and then a blush that you like, because blush is very personal. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.